Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is largest square formed in a matrix. So we have a matrix of n cross m and we have to find the maximum length of a size of a square, some matrix with all ones. So we have a matrix of n cross m and we have to find the largest length of a square where every cell is 1. So the answer is 3 in this case because 3 is the largest sum matrix where every element is 1. And on the second test case, the answer is 2 because the square length is 2. And in this test case, the answer is 0. So I firstly solve this question using previous sum approach. I believe you are familiar with prefix sum approach and you already have solved the sum question on 1D array. So this question is based on 2D array. So I have solved this question using only this approach. So I will provide the score in the description below. I will not gonna tell this approach in this video because this approach will deserve a video on its own. I will tell you the optimized approach. So let's build the approach. So we have a matrix of n cross m and we have to find the largest square. So if you think about a square, so I am taking of length 3. So in this every cell is 1. So if you observe above row and left hand side column, the element must be equal to form a square. So every element around that must be equal. So what do I mean by that? If you take zeroth row, only zeroth row, only zeroth row, the maximum square you can make is 1. And if you take only one column, the maximum answer you can make is 1. So let's build our answer starting from 1 1, starting from here. So I am here. So starting from here, we can make a square of length 1, 2, 3, 4, any length. So we don't have to bother about the length. We just take the minimum element from the neighbor. So we just take the minimum element from this cell, or from this cell, because that will make our square of the minimum length. So let's first take the minimum length. I will on the way tell you the approach. So the minimum length is 0. So we will add the minimum length in this cell. So the cell is 0, cell is 1 here, and we don't have to take at the 0th cell. We will only take at the 1th cell. So this is the cell, and we have to take the minimum value from above, from this cell and from this cell. The minimum length we can take is 0. So we will add a 0 here. Let's jump on to the next one cell. So this is the cell, and take the minimum from the neighbors. So this is the neighbors. If you take the minimum is 0 and add at this cell. So this will be 1 only. So if we are at here, so the minimum length we can make is 0. So add 0, and at this cell, the minimum length is 0. So we'll add 0. The next one cell is this. So take the minimum is 0. At this, the minimum is 1. The minimum you can take is 1. So add 1 here. So it will be 2 now. So as you can see, 2 is the maximum or the minimum square that we can make. So particularly it is the minimum around these corners. So let's jump into the next cell. It will be clear now. So the minimum we can take is 1. So add 1 here. It will be 2. So 2 is the maximum square we can make, although rectangle is 6, but we are not taking the rectangle, we are only taking the square. That's why we have to take the minimum from the neighbor cell. So we have to take the minimum from the neighbor cell. So that's the reason. So the next cell is this. So just take the minimum from neighbor cells, from I minus 1 or j. So I minus 1 or j means upper row I here, j here, and this cell is I and j minus 1, and this cell is I minus 1 and j minus 1. So we are at here. So let's take the minimum from these cells. The minimum we can take is 1. So add 1 here. So till now the maximum length we can make is 2. The maximum square we can make is 2. Next, at here the maximum we can make. So we are taking the minimum. So the minimum is 1 and the answer is 2 here. At here minimum we can take from these neighbors is 2. So we will add 2 at this. So it will be 3 now. So as you can see, 3 is the maximum. So this cell making this matrix, and this cell is making this matrix, and this cell is making this square or this submatrix. So this is the maximum till now. So at here the minimum we can take from neighbors is 0. So add 0 here. So no effect, and every other cell is 0. So while iterating, we maintain a maximum variable and take the maximum on every point. So that's the approach. Let's jump into the coding part. So we will utilize this maximum array given. So let's start a loop starting from 0. So we only iterate on the 1, and so that's, and have a answer variable. We have to take the answer. I will modify the input array, although it is not recommended. So we are at 1 point. So we have to take the minimum and add at current location, add at current cell. So math.minimum matrix I minus 1, and again matrix I and j minus 1, and matrix I minus 1 and j minus 1. So as you can see, we are accessing I minus 1, j minus 1, I minus 1, j minus 1. So it must be accessible. So we can write it like this: I minus 1 must be accessible and j minus 1 must be accessible. So that's the approach. Let's run that. Let's submit this code. If you are watching till now, a click on the subscribe button is highly appreciated. The code is given in the description box. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And we have successfully solved this question. Thank you all for watching this video.